Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So today we are continuing to push the body geometries. I haven't done one in a couple weeks and I apologize about that. I've been extremely busy with a number of product launches. And today is going to be all about joint pain. So we're going to energetically correct any out of place joint, restoring normal structure and function in all joints that do not have normal positioning between their articulating surfaces. So this is going to be a very powerful body geometry and a lot of fun for anyone out there suffering from joint pain. So what we want to do is get our back straight, put our palms out. We're going to twist our hands in, bring them together. At this point, we're going to create the V. Breathe in through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. As soon as the V is created, there is a spiraling vortex of energy. Pure source energy, just amazing, that spins up right in front of us. And as you're breathing in, you are breathing in that beautiful vibration. And as you are breathing out the stuff that needs to go. Okay, so I'm going to do this once or twice. So it's very important you pay attention, okay? From here, we're going to close our left hand. We're going to bring our right hand straight out. We're going to take our two fingers like this and put them kind of at a 45-degree angle and kind of tuck our thumb almost like a gun right here. We're going to put our two fingers over our palm, and on the in-breath, you're going to do a clockwise motion in a circle on your right hand, okay? Breathing in, exhaling. Exhaling is a counterclockwise motion, okay? So from the top, from here, bring your hands together, we create the V. From the V, right hand out. From the ball, two fingers, we're going to rub our thumb just kind of right over it. As we're breathing in from that spiraling vortex, we have a clockwise motion going on one time. When we're exhaling through our nose, we are doing a counterclockwise motion. Now, the whole time as you're doing this and you're breathing in, on each in-breath, those articulating joints, you're feeling them just cool down, get very calm and collective and reposition. It's really, on an energetic level, when you feel the things starting to happen within the body, it's pretty off the hook. So, again, from the top, palms out, V, in through the mouth, out through the nose. Clockwise motion. Counterclockwise motion. Now, folks, you're looking at this in reverse, so it might look like when I'm doing a counterclockwise motion, it's actually a forward motion, but it's not. Just when you have your palm out, you just do it accordingly, okay? In breath on the clockwise motion, out breath through the nose on the other one. Leave a note down below if you like the video. Leave some comments, and I will get them to them when I can. Again, just enjoy this one, folks. Have a great day.